Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. Welcome back to my channel. I am very sorry I could not upload videos for a very long time. I was trying to do it, but there were lots of issues in life, Life is not always the same. It's not the same every time. You will have different kind of issues.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
But I'm back again, and this time it's gonna be a very interesting video. The complete topic of this video is very encouraging and motivational as well, because this ride that I am doing is to go and sit with my team, that's my riding team, and to discuss everything on paper about the epic journey to the mighty Himalayas. We are planning to go Leh and Ladakh, the paradise of riders. Now here you can see YSD fully loaded. That's Inder Bhai Sahab. And I'll show you Praveen. This is Praveen on his new Himalayan. Woohoo! That's Himalayan 450, guys. One and only in the team. And then we got two YSDs. There's one more Himalayan 411 going. This ride for Leh and Ladakh will be our first ever ride to the mighty Himalayas. I have done Uttarakhand until Munsiari. Okay, so I have fair amount of experience for mountain rides. Okay, I have been to Dharchula and then Pithoragarh and all these places. During last year Diwali, there was like 3-4 days off, right? So I utilized that time. In this particular ride, there are few things that we need to be very sure of.
So रुको जरा, सबर करो.
First and foremost, commitment. If you are not committed to riding, please avoid going to Leh and Ladakh. Commitment comes first. You need to give your 200% for this particular ride, because we don't know what we will face when we go up there on high altitudes. Second aspect that we need to be confident about our riding setup includes your safety gears. Your bike should be in good condition, okay, and you should have some spare parts for the ride, so on and so forth. Third important point, being physically fit. This means that when you go up on the higher altitudes, there will be lower level of oxygen. Okay, that means you may face nauseous, vomiting, severe headache, okay, dizziness, and a lot of stuff which will happen eventually when you be in a low oxygen area. That means your body will go into an oxygen deficiency mode. So that is not good for anybody who is going up there. Okay, there have been instances, drivers have been there, and they have faced this challenge of surviving in a low oxygen atmosphere. Okay, as I told you, these 3 points. The fourth one is your preparedness. Okay,
उसको सांस तो लेने दे बे.
your preparedness means the route map, okay, the travel guide that you are making for the ride. Okay, then if you are going in a group, then there has to be a proper coordination, like radio communication between 2 or 3 riders who are controlling the ride. Okay, you should have radio or even an intercom works. Communication is very important between riders. Okay, and fifth part, you should be a little bit of a bloody mechanic yourself. Okay, you should be a bloody mechanic yourself, especially change tires, repair puncture, okay, change clutch wire, brake wire, okay, tighten the chain, all these minor jobs. Okay, you don't have to be a mechanic to rebuild the engine in Leh or Ladakh region, but yes, you should be in control of your bike in terms of handling and maintaining it, so that you can complete the ride and reach to your destination safely. Okay, got it? Now let's sit down somewhere. I think these guys are going somewhere where we will sit down and discuss everything on a table, so that we don't miss out points, and you will see the complete process, and this will help you guys to prepare for your Leh Ladakh ride. Okay, the dates are not yet revealed, and it won't be until we complete all this planning and stuff. Okay.
भाई एयरटेल वाला ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है, 500 कुछ रुपए का आता है, उसमें एमबी भी सही मिल जाता है, कॉलिंग वॉलिंग सही मिल जाता है।
मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ वहीं के लिए सिम होनी चाहिए, वहीं से ही ले लूँ। वहीं लो
नहीं, जब एयरटेल का बिलिंग चल जाता है तो हाँ ठीक।
व्हाट्सएप चालू रहेगा, बाकी के नंबर चालू रहेंगे उनके, उसी नेट से व्हाट्सएप चलाते रहो।
हाँ और क्या, व्हाट्सएप चल जाए बस हमारा,
व्हाट्सएप चलता रहेगा। व्हाट्सएप
हाँ, एटलीस्ट वी शुड बी एबल टू कॉन्टैक्ट होम।
और सबसे
बस।
ज्यादा
नेट चलना चाहिए।
हाँ
चाहे
सबसे ज्यादा जियो सबसे ज्यादा सिम चलता है।
दो ले लो।
ले हाँ, एयरटेल चल जाता है,
एयरटेल चलता है, लेकिन जियो सबसे ज्यादा नेटवर्क सबसे ज्यादा क्लियर रहते हैं नेटवर्क जियो। तो फंस गया मैं अपना
एलएनजी का सेट, पंचर किट, एलएनजी का सेट और पानी का सेट है,
पानी का सेट है,
ठीक
ग्लास है,
ग्लास व्लास तो मेरे पास भी है थोड़ा बहुत, एक सेट वो रख लिएगा। टूल्स हो गया, टूल्स में पड़ेगा हम लोग को 24 नंबर का पाना। तू अपना बोर्ड साइज चेक कर लेना, फ्रंट और रेयर का, ठीक है। वो अपने अपने बाइक का पाना रख लेना भाई, ठीक है। दूसरा जरूरत पड़ेगा हम लोग को टायर खोलने वाला आइटम। हाँ, टायर खोलने का जो आता है ना, वो उसके पास है ना,
लक्कड़ टाइप का जो
नहीं लक्कड़ टाइप नहीं था, वो प्रॉपर मेटल का रहता है,
और आप लोगों को
वो उसके पास है, वैभव के पास है।
आपको वो
मेरे पास है ना, वो
साथ में रखना।
दो पीस है ना खोलने वाला, तो उससे पकड़ लेना।
पकड़ना क्या
उससे लेना तो पड़ेगा ना मेरी जान,
अकेला लेके चल लो।
खाली उसके पास 24 नंबर स्पैनर नहीं है,
चले जाओ।
वरना उसको उसका ही खोल के ले आए थे। हो गया।
और ट्यूब आपको कैरी करनी है, दोनों ट्यूब
भाई,
आगे
बड़ी
पीछे दोनों
ट्यूब है तेरी,
अपनी अपनी
21 इंच है ना?
कैरी करनी है।
मेरे पास एक 21 इंच है बड़ी।
बहुत होती है, दो रख लो बहुत है।
नहीं कह रहा हूँ, एक दोनों एक सेट बस, बाकी तो मार्केट में जब होगा हम उसको
नहीं, स्पेशली जिसका बड़ा टायर है, तुम्हारा ट्यूब मिल जाएगा। जिसका बड़ा टायर है 21 इंच वाले को एक ट्यूब चाहिए लाजिम।
पंचर को सड़ा डाला और
तेरे को एक
पहले
चाहिए,
बताओ टायर खोलना किसको आता है?
मेरे को
सबसे बड़ा बात तो वही है।
खोलने की जिम्मेदारी थी साहब।
खाली रास्ते में पंचर नहीं बन रहा था इसका, उस दिन जो हम लोग जा रहे थे वहाँ फतेहपुर से, है ना बाबा? थैंक यू ब्रो।
किस चीज का?
पार्टी के लिए
पैसा तू ही दे रहा है।
ओ माय गॉड, ये नंगा जाएगा वापस भाई यहाँ से, फिर कच्चे तो आज धो दिए इतने सारे।
840 रुपए है, बाकी पैसे सब करेंगे
बस भाई,
840
840 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, एक नंबर का 420 आदमी है।
So the meeting is over. Now I am heading back home. Now to give you an idea of what we had in the meeting, because it was in Hindi language, some of you might understand, some of you might not understand, because especially my friends who are in Qatar, they won't understand the language, of course. Now in that meeting we basically discussed what all to carry and how to reach Leh Ladakh. As if now we have decided that we will go from New Delhi till Jammu. End of the day we'll be in Jammu for day 1. Then on day 2 we'll move from Jammu via Banihal and we will skip Patnitop. Then we will reach to Kargil. Okay, same day from Jammu to Kargil, and then from Kargil to Leh. Okay, now in this situation we will be covering this distance in 3 days, because we don't want to rush. Lots of guys have been there, few of them have not been there, and we want to enjoy the ride, correct? So we will not be in a rush. We have ample of time. We have decided that we will do a complete circuit that is going from this end, that is from Delhi to Srinagar, and then coming back via Manali. Of course, that's the circuit, right? So that's our plan. The route is sorted. Okay, now the things to carry that we have decided that we will carry tools. That's like an Allen key set, puncture repair kit, okay, for tubeless and tube tires both. Okay, and then we'll have a spanner set, pliers, and extra tubes and cables, clutch cable, brake cable, chain cleaning kit, chain tightening things and stuff like that we will be carrying with ourselves. And then secondly, we have also planned to carry a small stove and a small gas cylinder. That is the portable one, the camping cylinder. Okay, so that on the way when we are hungry and we don't find anything, at least we can cook our beloved Maggie. So that's the idea, that's the whole idea, to eat Maggie. Okay, now these things are sorted. Now the dates are not yet finalized. It's a tentative date. Hopefully that tentative date will be the permanent date that we will leave Delhi for Leh Ladakh, which I will let you know through my shorts. Plus I will also upload shorts related to preparation of Leh and Ladakh. Okay, don't worry about the visuals. That those visuals will be like common visuals from my daily rides, nothing fancy about the visual, but mainly you guys need to focus on the content, the things that I will write in there. Okay, the things that I will mention, those are the valuable information that you need if ever you wish to do a Leh Ladakh ride. Some people look at my bike because it looks completely different. I have like done a nice, like really cool wrap on my bike. Okay, and the design is one and only Himalayan with such amazing and beautiful wrap design, you know, and it is all self-made, homemade. You will search this wrap in the market, but you won't get it because it's not available. It's done by me, my design. Whatever we discussed, I told you guys everything about it. Now it's time to say good night because I'll be reaching home in a minute, and then I need to sleep because tomorrow is another working day. See? Riding is not easy. It's a passion that we follow, but we need to also look after ourselves and family, right? So we need to work because even riding needs a lot of money.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
Correct? So we need to earn money first before we spend on riding, right? And if you like the content, if you like the information and the upcoming shorts that you will see and the information that you are seeking, hopefully I am able to deliver those information to you people so that someday you will also fulfill your dream of going to Leh and Ladakh, right? Heaven, right? That's heaven. Sorry for taking up so much of your time. Take care, have a good day and good night. Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, ciao.